This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Victoria Eberhardt. Build your dream home on this 0.37-acre lot in the desirable Lake Glastowberry subdivision of Fairfield Glade, Tennessee. The lot features level to gently rolling terrain, with a trail branch stream flowing in from the lake at the back, adding to the beautiful natural setting. Utilities are available at the road, and a recent survey is available, making this an ideal choice for starting construction. Located on a cul-de-sac, this lot experiences minimal traffic, offering a prime location within the community. As a resident of Fairfield Glade, you'll enjoy a wealth of amenities. With 11 lakes, 2 marinas, and boat rentals, there are endless opportunities for outdoor fun. Even your furry friends will have a place to play at the local dog park. The community offers world-class indoor and outdoor tennis and pickleball courts, a racquet center, 4 swimming pools, 2 indoor and 2 outdoor, and miles of scenic hiking trails catering to various skill levels. For more information,